No, to be honest, it was.
Folks, I am so ashamed of myself not videoing this. We just saw the best catch of the year. Don't play yet. William Larrabee, there's a pop-up borderline right over the tip of this fence right here. And William Larrabee, just no regard for his body, goes back at the wall, catches the ball, and lands right in these bushes. As you see, my bushes are fine. This acts as the wall. He went in and just totally wrecked that. Oh, just destroyed him. And that was probably the best play. He went in and caught it, and we were all laughing at the time because we thought it was so funny, but that was probably the best play of the year by far, and that will probably win the award for best play of the year. And you can see, William, let me see your scratches and everything for proof. You got to give it to him there. Let me see your scratches.
The part was the dirt from the mulch.
Yeah, there's all the dirt, and he fell in there.
This is a little bit
I mean,
of
I
blood.
wish we were. I wish so. Now we'll start having to. There's the dirt right there.
Oh yeah. To be honest, it was an accident.
That was probably that was a definite home run, and William just goes over the fence and catches it. Okay, folks, we'll be back in the 6th inning at FCWBL production. We just saw the best play of the year, and folks, we'll be back from William, Brendan, Mitchell, and Aiden. Folks, we'll be back. Have a good night. Hold on, don't play.